In 1955, at the height of the Cold War, a secret mission began. Officially, Operation Deep Freeze was for scientific exploration. But its true objective was far more guarded: a quest for the unknown. Anomalies beneath the ice hinted at an ancient, unknown facility.
Elite military, scientists, and engineers were assembled, sworn to secrecy.
The world would never know what they were truly sent to uncover. The team established temporary camps and critical communication arrays.
Initial days involved routine drilling and seismic testing of the ice.
Collecting ice cores, monitoring weather, setting up precise instruments.
Until they detected large subterranean cavities, emitting inexplicable heat.
And powerful, unidentifiable electromagnetic signals. Equipment malfunctioned inexplicably. Compasses spun. Radios picked up strange pulses.
Low-frequency vibrations shook the very ice beneath their feet.
Drilling and underground exploration revealed vast, artificial tunnels, perfectly geometric chambers, unlike any natural formation.
Metallic frameworks of unknown origin embedded deep within the ice.
Artifacts resembling tools or machinery, completely alien in design. Some walls contained inscriptions in a language no expert could decipher.
Witnesses reported fleeting silhouettes moving in deep caverns.
Shadows defying natural light angles, a pervasive sense of being observed.
Several operatives reported illness, hallucinations, or fainting spells. A few young adult operatives went missing temporarily, but returned with no memory of where they had been.
Satellite images of the area were later classified or officially doctored. Later expeditions attempting to retrace their route faced sudden storms.
Unexplained equipment failures, even vanishing vehicles. The operation itself was quietly closed after several years, leaving no public record. Conspiracy theorists and later whistleblowers suggest the facility could be
remnants of a pre-human civilization, hidden for millennia.
Or perhaps advanced alien technology, buried since antiquity.
Or an advanced hidden lab, dating back millennia, its purpose unknown. Government documents hint at continued monitoring of the area, and a strict prohibition on civilian access to the region. Operation Deep Freeze remains one of the oldest Antarctic secrets. Structures beneath the ice, the anomalous phenomena, and the unexplained events suggest humanity glimpsed something monumental.
Yet were barred from truly understanding its profound implications.
Even today, the full truth is buried under kilometers of ice. and countless layers of classified, impenetrable files. Early scientific missions laid the groundwork for future operations. Pioneering researchers braved extreme conditions, documenting strange atmospheric shifts. Their detailed logs hinted at formations unlike anything known to science.
This particular sector became a focal point due to persistent, subtle anomalies.
Magnetic field readings registered inexplicable fluctuations and powerful spikes.
Seismic tests revealed vast, non-natural voids, almost perfectly symmetrical. These findings triggered immediate high-level government interest. Specialized military units were chosen, briefed on extreme conditions.
Its true purpose: to investigate what appeared to be an ancient, buried installation.
Massive logistical efforts were undertaken to transport specialized gear. The landscape offered no clues, an endless white canvas concealing profound secrets.
Advanced radar began to pierce the ice, revealing undeniable structures. Thermal scans confirmed pockets of heat, defying the extreme cold. Teams ventured into the darkness, equipped for the unknown.
Narrow passages led to vast, unnaturally smooth caverns. These weren't natural formations. They bore the hallmarks of design. Objects were recovered, unlike any known material or engineering.
Elemental analysis revealed compositions not found on Earth.
Glowing inscriptions lined certain walls, emanating a soft, internal light.
Reports of movement persisted, shadows that defied explanation.
Blurred photographic evidence emerged, hinting at non-human entities.
Several operatives experienced acute neurological distress, often with amnesia.
Withdrawals from the mission were frequent, official reasons vague. The region became a tightly controlled airspace, a clear sign of continued interest.
Today, satellite imagery of the sector remains eerily sparse, deliberately so.
Public narrative maintained a scientific facade, masking the extraordinary truth. The scientists themselves were silenced, their knowledge buried with the project.
One theory suggests a highly advanced, secret WW2 German base, long abandoned.
Another posits remnants of a lost Atlantean civilization, preserved in ice.
Or a terrestrial alien outpost, hidden for millennia, dormant until disturbed. Even decades later, official documents hinted at unresolved anomalies.
The entrance to the unknown, now guarded by nature and human decree. What truly lies beneath the ice remains one of humanity's most profound questions. The calm before the storm, a prelude to unprecedented discovery. Sonar readings began to show strange, deep-sea formations far below the ice shelf.
Cartographers struggled to reconcile these findings with existing maps.
The remoteness of the site ensured minimal external interference. Communications were intermittent, often filled with inexplicable white noise. Sensitive equipment suffered frequent, inexplicable malfunctions. A previously unknown frequency band was detected, emanating from below. Seismographs recorded rhythmic tremors, consistent with machinery, not geology.
The drilling effort was intense, pushed by an unseen urgency.
Then, an unexpected breakthrough. A void far beneath the surface. Camera feeds showed unnaturally smooth, polished surfaces, impossible in ice. Rock samples contained alloys and crystal structures defying classification.
Inscriptions were also found on metallic tablets, confirming an alien script. Vast tunnels led to monumental chambers, supported by colossal pillars.
Movement was detected within these complexes, not of the expedition team.
The psychological toll was immense, bordering on genuine terror. Reports of missing time, fragmented memories, and profound disorientation emerged. Weather anomalies intensified, seemingly reacting to the mission's progress. Vehicles were incapacitated, some found damaged in inexplicable ways. The operation concluded abruptly, its true findings swept into classified archives. Some speculate it was a dimensional portal, a gateway to other realities. Others believe it an entry point to the mythical Hollow Earth, an inner world. The visual evidence, though suppressed, is hauntingly consistent.
Patterns emerge: secrecy, suppression, and undeniable strangeness. Even now, the region is under constant, covert surveillance.
A definitive no-go zone, forbidding all unauthorized entry.
The heartbeat of an ancient mystery still resonates from the ice.
Faint whispers in the media, quickly dismissed as fringe curiosities.
Unexplained aerial phenomena were also reported, complementing ground findings.
The sheer scale suggested not just a structure, but possibly an entire buried civilization.
Advanced technology, unlike anything human, hinted at intelligent design. The symbols, a language of power, perhaps a warning, or a key. The depths held more than structures. They held something alive, or awakened.
The fear was palpable, a chilling testament to what they encountered.
The true cost of deep freeze was the silent knowledge of non-terrestrial interaction. Computer models suggest movement of massive, unnatural objects below the ice.
The government knew they had found something they could not control. Whistleblower accounts, though officially denied, remain stubbornly consistent.
Monitoring continues to this day, a silent admission of its immense importance.
Modern research stations serve as convenient civilian camouflage for military interest. Faces of the original team, their identities now lost to history and classification.
Antarctica remains the largest, most secretive frontier on Earth.
Did humanity uncover the remnants of a terrestrial history it was never meant to find?
Recent energy spikes suggest the buried facility may not be entirely dormant.
The mystery of Operation Deep Freeze, a glimpse into origins beyond human comprehension. The evidence exists, fragmented and hidden, demanding deeper investigation.
The cold silence of the Antarctic guards its secrets fiercely, even now.
The truth is buried, not just under ice, but under layers of classified files. But for how long?